everyone. Welcome to 5 Minutes Belly Dance with me. Hello everyone. Have you started exploring with your veil? Today we're going to work on the first basic techniques for the veil, which I call it the scoop and open. This is the simple movements that we're going to do today. We're going to basically and open it up, scoop it down, and open it up. So this is how your hand is basically going to move. Your body is basically going to move together as well. Now I'm basically just shifting my weight. Okay, so from here, if I'm moving on my right hand, I'm going to scoop down while I'm changing my body weight to my left side. Changing my weight to the left, and when I open it back, I'm changing my weight back to the left. So your weight will be moving to this side and come back. To this side and come back. All right, remember the rule number two? All right, remember the force field. So instead of holding my veil this way, in which my veil is sticking to my body, I'm actually opening up to the back. And my hands, as this hand is going front, all right, this hand is going to open to the back so that I have some space at the back. Scoop and open. Scoop and open. So going down and open it up, going down and open it up. My hand is going to go palms in, palms out, palms in, palms out. So without the veil, you'll see my hand down and open. Close, my palm is facing me, and open. Down and open, down and open. Shift the body. And if you notice, my upper body is doing the figure 8 automatically by itself. You don't really need to worry about that. Your body movements will basically help you more to catch the wind. So you have to borrow your body movements to basically do it. And going down underneath to make the movement bigger and down. All right? So let's see this with the veil. All right, remember, you have to open the other hands to the back. We don't want it to wrap around your body. Going down and open, going down and open, going down. When this hand goes down, this hand goes to the back so that you give more veil to drop to the front. If your hand is here, there's only a little veil that will basically drop in front. And it's hard to catch the wind in this way, right? So you have to give more veil to the scooping movement to catch more wind by bringing the other hands further to the back. Down and open, down and open, down and open. My body is twisting as well. Twisting, facing this direction, twisting and facing it back as I open it. All right, so now let's see the other hand. So now my right hand is going to go to the back. My left hand is going to do the scooping movements and open. Scoop and open, scoop and open. Palms down, palms up. Another thing that I would like you to notice is when I'm actually doing the down, I have a very tiny throw and bring it down. A very small and. So there is a small lift and then bring it down and open. And so this little end movements, this little throw movements, is basically is going to help you to catch the wind. All right? So now let's see this movement by alternating both sides. Okay, so I'm going to start on the right first. I'm going to have an N, scoop it down and open, 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 down and down and down and down and down and down. All right, so this is how it looks like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button, and see you again next time.